Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPIinvest.com. And it's a brand new financial year. In fact, we say for us, every new financial year start is like the new year for us because the accounts of our stock market investment returns is closed on 31st of March, and 1st April onwards we have the brand new year starting with our profits. So as on last year, this financial year we just closed, well, personally, I have closed with a net booked profit of almost 27% and 10% of unrealized profit still on my account. So that's a great return for this last year. In fact, the previous year, if you see, was not that great for me because in January we had a big hit from Adani stocks. Though we did not have any investment, but since the market went down so much, we did book some losses in the trading part, whereas investments did well. Overall, this year again is back to a great green. So well, it was a great closing to the last financial year. Now the start of new financial year. Looking forward to a great week ahead as well, because first thing first, the most important thing, as of now, if you see what happened on Thursday onwards, it was a long weekend. But Thursday, what we could see was the Nifty went almost close to its all-time high on a single day, and from there, some big profit booking, and the markets closed volatility. So one thing is clear: the trend is still positive. Sorry, sorry. So I'd been on a vacation that has probably taken a toll on my health. In fact, I went to Coorg with my family, and that's exactly why we did not have the market pulse video yesterday. But then, unexpectedly, Coorg was so hot, and it is. I've kind of wherever we went out, it was very hot. So probably wrong time to go to Coorg. I agree. But then, of course, we had to spend time, so we did go out, and that's kind of taken a toll on health a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Coming back. So what we are talking about, so markets are in a positive trend, and if you see after continued consolidation, it is trying to break out. So if that breakout happens, don't be surprised if you see 23,000 also soon. So that way, if you see markets are looking on the positive trend, but of course in between there could be corrections, there could be a negative movement and then go up. It is never a straight line movement upwards. So that's something we could be positive about at this point of time. Probably markets are waiting for elections. However, second important thing that can influence the market at this point of time is the result season. Yes. So with April starting, the result season is kicking off. The first result to be announced would be TCS on 8th. So that would be closely watched because if you see as on today, Indian stock markets are close to their all-time high. But then the big heavyweights in the stock market index like HDFC, TCS, Infosys. So all of these stocks are much lower from their all-time highs. So about 8 to 10% roughly, I would say. So if at all these stocks come out with good results, then imagine what could happen in the market. So being heavyweights, they could influence Nifty so much that it could actually go higher. So at this point of time, the results would be something to be keenly watched. However, IT sector, I am not very confident at this point of time because Accenture has also given a low guidance. So this could be a general expectation among the people that the IT sector results may not be great. Hence, most of the people who are having shorts in the IT sector may continue to hold so. But then, if TCS results on 8th gives any positivity, there are chances that a huge short covering can actually trigger a big rally in the IT sector. So, however, chances are low, but then it can happen as well. So, I'm just keeping you, giving you a heads up on that. Apart from that, we have new data coming in, the CPI, the consumer inflation data, the producer price index in the US. Okay, by the way, that reminded me the consumption detail has actually come out in the US last week, and it has come out kind of slightly positive. So that could mean again the hopes of increasing rate cuts. Decreasing rate cuts or would be higher, and hence US futures are already trading slightly higher. That means Indian market today will open with a gap up. So that's a good sign, in fact. But then, how the markets would continue to perform is something which is dependent right now on the global markets and the results and the elections. So, three important factors at this point of time. So, if you see, last 3 days was a global, most of the European countries and India had a holiday. So now that they are reopening today, so we would be looking out for cues from the US markets and the European markets today, after the Indian markets open. So that's something that could be on the cards for now. And this week is nothing else but there's no major results or anything this week. So majorly expecting the markets to be, slightly flattish for this week. So that's it for now. Let's see how the things go. And tomorrow being a Tuesday, we'll not have the podcast. So we'll catch up again on Wednesday with more details. Until then, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. And before that, how many of you have home loans? If you have home loans, and if you see recently, last week I got a message that my home loan interest rate was hiked to 10.4%. Well, my home loan is from Axis Bank, and this was what the situation is. But then something really interesting happened, and I might be moving that to a loan interest rate of 8.7 to 8.6 to 8.7%. How do I do that? If you want to know, do let me know. Just put it in the comment section or set up a one-to-one meeting with me. I will definitely help you reduce your home loan burden. So this was Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up on Wednesday. But before that, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives and help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.